and you are welcome once again to It's God Tech. Okay, over here you're going to get solutions to most of your technical or technological issues. Okay, and there are going to be technological tips as well. So for now, we're going to continue as we started on creating a blog for free. Okay, you want to create a blog for free, no coding, no skills, nothing. You have no skills, you have nothing. You see, those are the people I want to talk to. Okay, those are the people I want to do this video for. Okay, you don't need to have some ideas or some knowledge about what we're about to do now. Okay, those with nothing at all in the mind, or those who have no idea in terms of blogging or in terms of creating a website or a blog. Okay, and this is very simple, but today we're going to work with WordPress and how we're going to get a free hosting for our WordPress, a free domain name, and then a free a free domain and a free hosting, and create our own WordPress site. Okay, this is going to be a dummy site. This is going to be this is not the actual site I want us to create, but I want us to create the WordPress and then the one for the blogger. Then we'll compare the two to know which is going to be helpful to us, then we choose from it. Okay, but with the aspect of the blogger, or with the aspect of using the blogger to create our blog, we're gonna go into more details. Okay, so for now, or for today, we're going to use, or we are going to work on the WordPress aspect, and it's also a content creator or content management site where we can create some site, a page, or maybe a channel that we can upload information, and then how do you call it, share it with other people for them to also view, and then people can also visit the same site and then have access to our information. And there's one more differences between, or there are some differences, not one, but there are some differences between the WordPress aspect of creating the web of a blog, and then the blogger, or using the blogger to create your own blog site. And the difference is that, or with the difference as we are going to work on over here, is that with the WordPress you need to buy a hosting, you need to pay for it. Okay, you need to buy it, and then you need to buy a domain name. Okay, but with some of the domain name providers, they can offer you a hosting plus domain name, and it's quite expensive. But with a blogger, you have your own domain name, and then there's going to be a free hosting. Okay, I'm using that. Okay, you can visit www.newsben.com, newzben.com, and you can visit that site, and then you read more about mine. That's my site. And then I have one to www.benwebltd, benwebltd.com, or .site. Sorry, that one is .site. That's my site. So without wasting my time, let's box on. Let's go to the page, and then alright. So as we are working on the WordPress aspect, first of all, to get our domain name or hosting for free, this is the site I would like us to go. Now make your phone, or you need, for the devices that you need for this very work or this project, you need just your phone or your laptop, and then an internet connection. That's all. Okay, so now let's go. You don't need to pay for anything, you don't need to buy anything at the moment. You don't need to pay for anything, you don't need to buy anything. All that you need is your phone, and then a laptop connected to your phone, or a laptop connected to the internet. Alright, so when you have it, this is what you have to do. You visit Profreehost. I have it over here already, so let me drop this down a bit, and then so the link is profreehost.com. One thing that you have to know here is that this site is quite simple and easy to access. I have an account already, so if you do not have an account, you need to register. So you click on register, okay, and then you enter your email address, then your password, okay, then you are good to go. But I have an account, so I have to log in, okay, and then I have different accounts over here, so I have different accounts. I have to keep myself logged in. This needs to come up a bit. Yeah, so this is so simple, okay. Now when you get to this very place, this is your account where you can create new account or the accounts. So I have I think 2 sites. This is underway. I'm working on this and this is done. So if I want to manage it, I can just go to manage, and then, but right now, as we are all learning together, I want us to follow these steps. So you will come to this option, okay. Can you see this option, create new account? So you click on it to create new account, okay. So over here, please, let's watch carefully. This thing needs to come down here. So we have, it said enter an attractive name for your website, okay. So that is, it is talking about your domain name. So for example, we are learning, so let's say learning new, or let's say website learning. Yeah, my name is available. So this is the domain name that they've given to me. So here you can see website learning dot liveblog 365.com, okay. But if you do not want the extension that they've added, if you do not want this but you want to change it, you can come here and then you can use this. Oh, my site is not available. Let me check the next one. Alright, this is available. So website learning enziro.com is available. So let's use this. So afterwards, but over here, if you would like to buy a new domain name, you can go here and then use a custom domain, okay. If you have your own domain name, you enter it here and then you are good to go. But for now, we do not have any domain name, so we take the free domain, okay. Then we go, you click this. Yeah, okay. So after clicking on next, it takes you to this page and you see your account running, and it is preparing everything from the background. So what you have to do is to wait patiently whilst it's moves. So yeah, welcome back. So guys, it took some time, and then I think we are done. So we have our sites ready. So now let's manage, and then let's click on manage and then see what happens, okay. So click on manage. Alright, so some few things that we need to see from the control panel, and that is the overview. You have the FTP, the file transfer protocol, the domain name system, the password, and then close it. So you can check this, but this is not what I'm going to use, so no problem. So right now what we have to do is to go to the control panel, and that is where we are going to manage our site. And then I hope you are following, huh? Okay, it is redirecting it, no problem. You can move it So you click on proceed to cPanel. Check here, check down here. Okay, you proceed and then continue. So there are some few information they would like us to. So click approve. Okay, so we click on approve because we want them to help us to get whatever we want. So one thing that you need to know about this site, okay, you are not paying for anything. They are giving you free hosting. Okay, they are giving you free hosting, and then you have subdomain unlimited, add-ons unlimited, domain pack unlimited, database unlimited. Wow, Charlie, this site is really good. It's just for free. Okay, and you need to go deeper before you get access to some of these things. Okay, so these are all free, and some of the service providers to give you unlimited access to subdomains and add-ons and pack domains and other stuff, you need to pay some amount of money. And let me tell you this, let's say okay, for me not to get this video very long, we would have checked for the amount for a domain hosting, or a domain or a hosting. Okay, hosting package for 1 year, and you see what it contains. Okay, so right now all we need to do is to get our site up and running. So we just have to move down. Okay, we are moving down to Softaculous app installer. All right, you click on it. And over here we have Joomla, Abanta cards, we have WordPress, we have PHP, BB, SMF, and all that over here is not important to us, but we want to install WordPress. Okay, we want to install this. Can you see that? You click on install. Alright, so these are the processes that we need to go through in order to install our WordPress. Okay, so this is our domain name. So the admin username you can enter, and this is the password. You can choose to hide it, okay, or change it if you want to. And then this is my email account, and then the backup options, and so you can choose to add some more plugins, or I'm not a Chelsea fan though, but I have to get information from them because a blogger needs to get more information from different aspects. Okay, that's why you can see the pop-ups from them. So after filling everything, all that I have to do is so the site name, my blog, you can choose to change it. Okay, I do not want to worry myself filling all these things because we're just going through this. Okay, so the theme can be selected later on, but no problem. You click on install. Never. So after clicking on install, you can see it's loaded, and it is now saying congratulations, the software was installed successfully. We have created our WordPress website, and this is our link. Okay, so when I copy this link, and then let me open another tab. Okay, let me open another tab, and then where was my okay, let's paste it here. Oh yes, our site is up and running, and that's all. That's all. Okay, he said, hello world, welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete, and then start writing. This is the date. Okay, you can watch it. The website is up and running. Okay, but we need to do some touches and other things. We need to add some things to it in order to keep our site very nice and then neat. Okay, okay. Let me show you my site. This is my site. Lisbon. Okay, this is my site. So when you click on this, Lisbon services contacted the Alma. Okay, you can. This is my site. Isn't it nice? I paid nothing. I just bought my own domain name and that's all. Okay, I'm not going to allow. Okay, all these posts were written by me. I did them all myself. Okay, this is so simple. Look at the views I have. 26,000. Okay, and then I have another one. I want to show you my site. Okay, yeah, this is the site. It is the site. Yeah, I'm sure. And this is my other site, and that's all. I have just 1,493 views, but don't forget I have only 4 posts. Okay, I think there are 4 or 5. Yeah, less than 5 posts. That's all. That's all. You don't need to worry. Okay, Charlie. So with the proof roasts. Okay, don't worry, we'll get back to you. Okay, we'll get back to the same page again, but at the moment I would like us to stop here and then continue later on in the day. And then now you know how to create your own. Okay, you know how to create your own free WordPress website. Okay, we can add some themes and some plugins in order to make the site very attractive and beautiful, just as you've been seeing other sites. Okay, some sites like Ghana Web. Oh, sorry, Ghana Web. Some site like this. It was initially like what we met. Okay, and now things have been changed and other stuff, and then they develop it to this side. Okay, so you're also going to do the same thing in no time. So just keep following and everything is going to be fine. All right, so until then, we shall meet again. Okay.